So what's going on, people? I guess everyone are doing good. Okay, so in this video I'll teach you about how do you use env command. So env command is basically used to display and manipulate environment variables. Let me show you an example. So it is also it will also allow you to run and modify the environment and display the current environment variables. You can also use for that. Okay, let's play with environment env command. So the default syntax the default syn okay sorry the default syntax will look like this, and the options and name is equal to value. So this is the default syntax for what env command. That will be extended to, you can also extend it, command and argument. Okay, so this will be the extended of env command syntax. Okay, let's jump into the env command itself. So if you print env, then it will display the current environment variables. So if I click enter, then you can see these are the current environment variables. That is how you need, that is how you can print the current environment variables. You can see bin bash has a variable name called shell. Okay, let's jump into the next one. So if you want to run the let me take an example of a ls command. Let's say that you need to run the ls command with a modified path and environment variable. Then I don't need to mess up with the ls command, because if I mess up, it is difficult to change it for me. So that is why I'll just give the what syntax for that. This will be the syntax for custom and path. So if you need to change the environment variable of what ls command, then you can use this particular syntax to change the environment variable and for ls command. Okay, let's say that you need to run the echo command with the what custom environment variable. How do you do that? So for that you need to use env only. Then you need to specify my variable, and then the values of the variable. Then you need to echo and I need to print my variable. So that will actually print the value of the variable, but okay, let's specify in double quotes. Let's see it will work or not. Okay, let's use pipe command. Or maybe it is not taking my variable as a genuine variable, I guess. Maybe it's not so this will actually create the environment variable for given a command. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So this is how do you do that. But after creating this variable, how do you delete this? So how do you delete this? But if you need to delete this variable, okay, let's do an env and check whether that command exists, that variable got saved or not. Let's check it. My variable, right? Maybe that variable did not saved, so it is not what displaying displaying the value of that variable. Let's say you already created a variable. Now we need to delete it. What do? You use env and -u. So -u is basically stands for what unset whatever the variable you are specified. You are unsetting what my variable. Then I need to use dollar symbol to print inside the variable. That will be var. So if I do like that, this will what unset the what unset the existing variable. Okay, let's say that you need to run the ls command with the empty variable except from home and languages. What do? Now we need to use env command then -I, then you need to specify home is equal to, and my home, then you need to specify the language as well. It should be capital. It should be capital language. It's equal to en underscore us and utf hyphen 8, and you need to specify ls command. So this will basically what empty it will basically run the ls command with empty environment, empty environment except from what home and language. So this is how you use -I to ignore the environment variables to print some commands. Okay. Let's say you need to run the ls command from custom directories. How do you do that? So we need to use env hyphen capital S, and need to specify the path. Then to we need to this slash command, then ls. So this will basically this will not give an output because the path is totally wrong and given. Okay, so this will basically run the ls command from custom directories. If you specify this directory, then it will run that particular ls in custom directories. Okay, so if you don't know how to use env command, you can go man env, then you can I showed you how to use -I, and I showed you how to unset the name. So there is many things that you can just explore it. There is env and version, I guess. Yeah, you can see the version and the people who wrote the code for this. Okay, so that's all guys, and thank you for watching.